should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are.
Hi, welcome to Cindy's Little House. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning out my fridge, doing a few dishes, and I have to empty out the cabinet in the dining room because we're going to be moving another piece of furniture in there on my next video. And I've got to organize the stuff that came out of the cabinet, and also I got a new steam shot that I wanted to see how to use on my tub.
Save me until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you, you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why?
So I'm cleaning out my refrigerator very well, but it looks worse than it is. It's not that crummy on the inside. It just needs a little wipe down here and there. And some expired food needs to go away, and that's why I have a lot of dishes to do after this. But anyway, I'm getting it done, and it's not too bad, thank goodness. I didn't let it go too long, so we're gonna get it done, and it's gonna look so much better.
You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to show me sorry you have changed now. But it's the same old story. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back
don't know about everyone else, but I love to get my refrigerator organized, because if I can't see in there what I've got, I forget about stuff and it gets pushed in the back, and then I'm like, then it's old by the time I eat it. Or I don't eat it because it is old. But anyway, I love having it organized and being able to see everything and taking almost everything out. The side shelves over here, I'm not going to mess with, because all of that is sauces. I don't know why we have so many sauces, but my husband does love sauces, and he's big on soy sauce, teriyaki sauce. I mean, you name it, he likes it. And also, I use a different kind of salad dressing than he uses, and we just have everything over there. And it's all on that one side, and we actually don't have enough of those little pockets on the side. We're missing one, and it was like that when we moved in, and then one of them got cracked. So we really need to add some more over there. It would be very helpful for it not to be as messy. But anyway, I'm not going to worry about that stuff over there, because it is what it is, and it's not dirty over there. And I'm just going to worry about the main part of the refrigerator. One of these days, I'm going to get to my freezer, because I'm thinking it's at the point where I need to go through it too. But for today, this is what I'm going to get done. And I'm going to be so happy at the end.
My world is spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now, and I want you now.
So this is the cabinet that I'm emptying it completely out. And of course, all of this stuff has to be gone through and organized, which I'm going to do today. But the cabinet, we ended up just donating it. And I'm going to put my desk over here. My desk is also white, and it is in the office. So we're moving it from the office to in here, which we'll see how it goes. We've already measured, and we know it fits, and it has a lot of storage. And it just seems like I never get to use my desk, because my husband's office is in there, and he's working, so I don't use my desk. So we thought if we moved it in here, I could use it. And I really do need it for storage. And all of this has to go in that for storage also. And so anyway, we're going to move it into here. And then I'm going to get some little baskets and stuff for storage at the top of it. And we're going to style it and make it look nice. But the mirror up there, I have to do something different with that. So I'm not sure what to do with it. Anybody on here has any ideas where I could put my little black mirror? Let me know. Because I like my little mirror. I might put it back there in the office, because, it might be good near the bicycle, because it's going to be moved back in there. I don't know. I just have to think about it for a while. Anyway, this is a hot mess. And right behind where the mirror was, there was some holes. And I like to patch things up as I go, so that I don't have like a ton of stuff to patch up in case we ever do move. I always think about that, because we have moved a lot in our 30 years of marriage. But anyway, I patched the holes, and I painted where the holes were. And so even though they're not going to be shown, it's still done. And now I'm just organizing all of this stuff right here and hopefully purging some of it too.
Lights keep dancing by, painting the sky and adding to our chemistry. Heart beats up line, right in time. You've become a remedy. I don't wanna be distracted, no. I'm having a reaction, oh. I give it to you, give into your state of mind. You don't wanna be distracted, no. You're having a reaction, oh. I can feel I can feel you burning up. 'Cause tonight we lose it all. We let go, it's something in the way you move that makes me do things I've never done. Yeah, tonight we lose it all. I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall and flames are getting closer. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire. Oh, 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 oh. On fire. Oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire. Oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire. Oh, 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 my skin's on fire. 'Cause tonight we lose it all. We let go. It's something in the way you move that makes me do things I've never done. Yeah, tonight we lose it all. I'm broken, and even if the sky would fall and flames are getting closer. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire. Oh, 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 oh. On fire. Oh, 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 oh. My skin's on fire. Oh, 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 fire.
Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to.
So the stuff that I have on the table, you might be wondering what in the world is that. It's creative memory stuff. I've had this stuff for years, and I have not finished but maybe one book, seriously. But I want to keep it because you always think, oh, one day I'll sit down and have time to do this. So I'm waiting on the one day, you know. And I think if I have it over here where my desk is going to be, it will be easier to pull in and out too if I wanted to work on some of it. Sometimes I think I should just throw this stuff out and, you know, order those books that you can order. And one day I might do that. One day I might be like, okay, I'm done with this stuff. You know, I'm just going to get rid of it. But right now I'm thinking I might do some of it. So we shall see. So I'm not going to get rid of that. But I did declutter my runners and stuff that I have for my table. Because I think I had 2 that I decluttered that I just feel like I just didn't use those anymore and I don't need them. And then I did declutter some of the Creative Memory stuff, and I decluttered some of the wrapping stuff because I had a lot of stuff that was just stuck together, and it was just a huge mess. So anyway, I did get some decluttering done while I was doing this, but I also put things in organized stacks because once I move my desk in here, I want to be able to know what everything is so I can put it in I'm going to use the little basket cubby things. I think that's what I'm going to use. And so I want everything to be organized. And now I'm in the bathroom. Okay, I was wanting one of these Steam Shot things forever. And so I got one of these. Mainly the reason I ended up breaking down and buying one of these is because I just had my surgery and I can't really get down there and scrub like I usually do. I thought, you know what? This is a good time to try one of these Steam Shots. Well, I'm here to tell you, I love this thing. I think it worked great. And I did use it on my sink. I don't have that on video, but I did try it around the sink. But I was a little bit scared because I painted my countertop, so I don't want to put hot steam on my countertop. But anyway, I was just trying it out, and I do really like it. So I'm glad I got the name brand also, because Carrie, on Carrie Lynn, she said to get the name brand because she didn't like hers because it wasn't the name brand and she had to press the button too hard all the time. And I think she was right. The button was very easy to press on the Steam Shot. So, and this is not, they didn't buy this for me. I bought this myself, not sponsored or anything. But I do really like it, and I know of a bunch of other jobs I could do with it. So I'm glad I went ahead and got it when I really needed it right now. But I'm glad I went ahead and got it. So thanks for coming along with me today. I hope you enjoyed my video and all the little things that I got done, and the Steam Shot that I really, really like. You'll see it again because I'll be using it. And just thank you to everyone that comes to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. My videos come out on Mondays and Fridays, and I'm pretty consistent unless something just, comes up that's, out of my hands and I can't do anything about. But most of the time, Mondays and Fridays. So come on back and check out what I'm doing. And my next video should be me doing my dining room because we're moving the furniture in there. So come back and see what we do in there because I think it's going to look really nice. Thank you.
Status quo.